Hey guys, I am Adriana Luna. For all the ones that are new here, thank you guys so much for stopping by. On today's video, I'm bringing you guys this gorgeous spring makeup looks, pastel colors. I think it's perfect for spring, you guys. It's wearable in my opinion. You guys know that I don't like to add so much color, you know, on my eyes, even though they look so beautiful when I do it, but I'm just a neutral girl at heart. You guys know that I love my neutral. So let's jump right into this look. We're gonna jump right into this, you guys. I already added some concealer just to cover all the redness and to prepare for my eyeshadow. You guys know that I rarely add any eyeshadow primer. I use this method as an eyeshadow primer, and it really helps. It really does help. So the eyeshadow palettes that I'm going to be using, you guys, they are old school. They are old school. I love them because they're really affordable. So they are by MORPHE, you guys, and this one is the 350. From the 350, look at how the 350 looks, you guys. So freaking beautiful, you guys. So I am going to be using some browns in here for my transition. I am placing this shadow all over my crease, you guys, in a swiping motion. And the brush that I'm using is from MORPHE, which is the M513. I'm getting it really close to the brow bone because I want to, since you guys know that my crease is really little, I want to bring it upwards. So it's really hard for me to do that because I feel like I look weird, but I'm gonna try it again and see. So that's the only shade that I'm going to be using from the MORPHE 350 palette, you guys, for the next one. So you can use a different transition if you like your bronzer. Oops, sorry. Like your bronzer, you can use a different transition shade from like your bronzer. That will work perfectly. So for the next one, you guys, this one is my 35S palette, you guys, and it's already busted because the top thing fell off. But I'm gonna be using this shade of greens right here. They're so beautiful. So for the first one that I'm going to be applying is this gorgeous one right here, kind of like a teal, but it's a green. So I'm going to be applying this in the outer corner of my lid. The brush that I'm going to be using for this is by MORPHE, and as you guys see, they are freaking old. This one is the R30, so I am not sure if they still have it, you guys, but just a small dent, fluffy little brush will work. And remember to get the eyeshadow at the tip so it could work. Just going to focus this on the outer and bring it all the way out. I'm slowly blending this right here so it doesn't look, I'm slowly blending it so it doesn't look really harsh. Now I'm going to slowly cut my crease, and I'm just using a flat shader brush, you guys, and a random concealer. So I usually just do it right here, but I'm gonna go more up. So I usually just cut it right here since my crease is right there, but I'm gonna go a little bit above and take my time because I feel like this, can you see it where my crease is at? I just feel like this doesn't look good on me. When I see it on other people that have small lips, just slowly, I think this is what takes so much time. Just cover that. So now that I cut the crease, I'm gonna go back with the other palette, or you can use your powder, using the lightest shade and just applying this all over where I just apply the concealer. So now with a flat shader brush, I'm going to be grabbing this green right here. So I'm just going to pat this on the middle. And as you guys can see, when you apply it, it's so freaking beautiful. Gorgeous, you guys. That is just a freaking beautiful green. I don't know why I want to call it pink. My brain is not here right now. I'm gonna use the same brush, you guys, but I always use this vera wheel cleaner to clean your brushes, you guys, and I am going to be dipping it into this kind of like yellow green at the same time, but look at how beautiful it is. Like pastel colors, I want to say. Yeah, they're like pastel colors. It's so pretty. So we're gonna apply this. I'm going to apply this. Ooh, look at how beautiful, you guys. And then also bringing it on my tear dot. Oh my gosh, If this does not scream spring to you, then I don't know what else will. And then I'm gonna go back with a clean fluffy brush and just try to blend that line right here, this crease. With a smaller shader brush like this, you guys, I'm grabbing that minty green that I added right here and just applying that at the bottom. This is one of my least favorite steps to do in the makeup because it just, I don't know, it feels so annoying. With my concealer brush, I'm just going to clean out the outer edge to make it look really clean and precise. So now moving to eyeliner, you guys know that I love my Revlon color Stay. This one is just like a felt tip and it's really precise and so pigmented, you guys. So I am just going to do a small wing and just really tiny because I don't want to do a big old wing eyeliner, you guys, because it's gonna take the attention away from here. So I just follow that line that I cleaned up and then I'm going to connect it to my crease and then just fill in the gap. So now moving on to the face, you guys, for my moisturizer, I am going to be using my Skin Tensity face cream, and it's just really moisturizing, and I love the fact that it's clean, organic, non-toxic, and it's made in Arizona, you guys. I also have a discount code for you guys, so if you guys are interested in trying it out. So now that we're nice and moisturized, I'm going to be using my Makeup Forever Pore Minimizer, you guys. This thing is my holy grail. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys know that I talked about this. I think I already have it uploaded, but this works magic. A little bit goes a long way. If you don't want to wear any foundation or anything, just moisturizer, you know, obviously, just a little bit of this and it works so good, you guys. It does cover the pores without clogging them. I apply it on my nose too because I feel like my pores on my nose are really open. So for foundation, I don't think I have tried this on here, but I've been trying it on my Instagram. This is the Urban Decay Stay Naked Hydromaniac. Yeah, Hydromaniac Tinted Glow Hydrator. So it's not foundation, it's a tinted hydrator, tinted moisturizer. It says the medium coverage up to 24-hour wear. It has kombucha, filtered, and marula oil, which marula oil is really good for the skin. I didn't know kombucha was for the skin as well. I need to get into that to learn that, but yeah, so it says 24-hour glow, 24-hour wear, and it has a vegan formula, so does not contain any animal derived. The packaging is really pretty. I love this color, you guys. I'm gonna use my Revlon foundation. This foundation brush I haven't used, it looks like this, like a little kabuki brush, but it works so good with their foundation. But I've been using it with everything and gosh, just look at how it applies. So pretty. I like the color is perfect on me. I'm going to be applying a little bit of concealer from Benefit Cosmetics. Did I say a little bit? I mean a lot. And with my handy dandy brush, which is by Fifth Glow Beauty, you guys, going to blend this bad boy. I like to look down like this when I'm blending my concealer, you guys. It looks so bright on me, you guys. So now I'm gonna be using this contour stick by Heart and Candy, which has contour and a highlight. I like using both of them, but right now I'm just gonna use the contour side, and it's so creamy and so pigmented and really affordable as well. The way you contour your nose, like, learn it, get to know it, because girl, it could definitely change your face shape. This is how I like to contour my nose. I feel like it just makes my nose look a little bit up and more. I am using my Royal Laneco eyeshadow brush, which is their angle one, and I use this to contour my nose and blend it because the way that it's made. Using this brush from Molly Cosmetics, you guys. You guys can find a brush similar to this on Amazon. I am setting my face with the Airspun loose powder. the eyelashes, you guys, that I have been loving, and I think I have been wearing them in all my videos, so sorry, but I'll find another one. When I find something that I love, I leave it in my counter and just use it all the time. So I am talking about the Too Faced lashes. As you guys see how they look busted right now, but they are the Natural Flirt. I thought it was Natural Lift, but it's Natural Flirt, you guys. They are so pretty. They look so real. I mean, they look so natural, you guys. I have worn them without eyeliner, and girl, they look beautiful. For my lips, you guys, I'm going to be using the Revlon Color Stay Satin Ink. And this one is in 001, Your Go-To. It is such a pretty color, you guys, in the packaging. So freaking sexy, isn't it? It's so sexy. I love the packaging, you guys. So I've been trying the Revlon Color Stays. I have a couple of them. Another favorite of mine is the, is this 0 or 6? Wait, it's 6, Eyes on You, which looks like this. It's so freaking pretty, you guys. I will have a swatch video if you guys want that. Just look at how that looks. It is super creamy. It is non-drying at all, you guys. I am adding Full Spectrum CoverGirl All Day Powder Foundation, but you guys know that I use it as a bronzer, and the color that I'm using is in Deep Natural 2. You guys know that I'm always using this. Like I told you guys, when I find something that looks good on me, I always use it. Like, I'm a habit of nature. Is that how you call it? And I also bring it outwards to my hairline, so it looks nice and blended, because girl, I need a tan. Like, my hairline is white. I am like getting whiter, so I'm like, I am ready for me to get a tan. I need to buy something to get a tan, because hell in the no, I am not going outside to get a tan. Heck no, girl. I gotta stay looking young as much as possible. So now I'm gonna set my face, and I have been using the Professional Super Setter Long Lasting Setting Spray, you guys. This thing really does work, and I love all their setting sprays. And the mist, like, I could talk. Like, I'm not choking. It smells good. You guys, make sure to try this. The mist is so, it's like an angel just spitting at me. If an angel spit like that. That's what I just think of. I don't know, I just think of. So, and here you guys have the final look, you guys. I love it. I think it's just perfect for spring. It's colorful. It's not so much colorful, you know. It's just like pastel, like I belong in the garden, you know. It's so freaking pretty, you guys. I love it. I hope you guys love it as well. And you guys, I also signed up again to be in the Sephora Squad, so hopefully I am praying to all the gods and everything that this time we do make it, because when I say we, it's seriously we, because it is a teamwork over here, you guys. So I will leave down below my little links so you guys can leave all your testimonials. And I did this 2 years ago, and you guys were on it. You guys were helping me so much, so thank you again. But this time, and hopefully this is the one, I will leave the link down below for you guys, so you guys can leave me your testimonials, letting them know why they need your girl on the Sephora Squad. You know, why do I make your day? Do I teach you? Do you learn anything from me? Why do you think I'm a good fit to be in the Sephora Squad member? And basically with the Sephora Squad member is I will be keeping you updated from all the new, you know, makeup releases and everything that they have going on. And you know, I personally, you guys know that I love to sit here, do makeup, and inspire you guys. When I get inspired, I need to sit here and inspire you guys. So all your help, you guys, is needed. I think it's time. I seriously think it's time. I have been here for the longest. You have seen me give up so many times, but I never quit. Like, I have given up so many freaking times, but I have never, you know, deleted my channel, like permanently deleted. Like, I almost have, but every freaking time I'm about to delete my channel, or I just like, that's it, I'm gonna just quit everything, I get a comment from you guys from on all my social media sites. It's either Pinterest, on Instagram, or here on YouTube, like, oh, I love the way you do your makeup, thank you so much for inspiring me, you go girl, you did good. Because seriously, you guys are the ones that are keeping me on my toes to keep putting out videos, and you know, trying my best every time to inspire you guys, help you in some way, make your day better in any way. So I will leave you guys a link down below. Thank you guys so much in advance, and I will see you guys on the next one.